Hello everyone, welcome back to 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Here we are with part 22. I'm Walt, and today I am talking to you guys all about part 22, this idea of run towards your fear, okay? So this one I find to be particularly interesting because so many people, fear is really designed to make people run away from it. They're just like, oh no, I'm afraid of this thing, whoop, 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 better never do it. So avoidance is really what builds it up. Now, the harder you try to avoid things, the worse it gets. As from one of my favorite books, The Game of Life and How to Play It, they have this fantastic phrase of how the lion draws his strength from you. Run towards the lion of fear and he shall disappear, but run away and he'll chase after you. So really that's what this is about here. Now, that's not true of a real lion majority of the time, but when it comes to fear, that's really how it works. Fear is such a tiny guy, but he's looking big because he's got a shadow puppet on the wall of look how big and scary I am. But really, fear is not actually scary. He's not that big a guy. What you can actually do is run at him and beat him up. Take his wallet, okay? Because a lot of times what fear is doing is fear is trying to keep you from knowing something behind there. Fear really shows up to try to stop you from being successful. And you might not wonder, why would fear do that? So it's not really keeping you safe, because what fear is doing is it's trying to maintain its own existence. For fear to be in your mind, you actually have to use fearful pathways. So by running away from things, he draws strength from you to still continue to exist and to make your life miserable. But you can shake off and destroy most fear by running straight at him, okay? Whenever you see a big fear or a small fear, really it's hiding a goodie there. It's saying, don't look towards this really good stuff. If you run at it, it's actually just an illusion, and really you can find a lot of value in conquering fear. When you face your fears and conquer your fears, you can grow stronger, you can grow better, and you'll find yourself being so motivated and so happy when you do that. That's about it for part 22. I will see you guys next time with part 23, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.